Wailuku. Our hostel is like not the best part of town, but it's kind of like a cute little local area. There's like a Wailuku coffee company shop over there. I think we're gonna stop and grab a cup. And then there's also like, oh yeah, like boutiques and stuff. Cute. So we're just kind of walking because the check-in for our hostel isn't until like 5 o'clock. They're like out of the office from 2 to 5. So we're just kind of exploring this little area and then hopefully gonna meet up with our friends in a little bit. Stop in Wailuku Coffee Company and try a cuppa. Because we're gonna go kayak with the whale. Mountains look like you could like reach out and touch them.
I wanna walk right to it.
I know. So we kayaked out to the bay by Sugar Beach. There's a few like right over there, like a mom and a baby. This is like one of my favorite things I've ever done. I think it's just like so spiritual. This is so cool. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever done in my whole life. They're actually right here. I'm gonna reach out and touch them. Oh, see him? Little baby fin. So little. Oh my gosh.
Little baby.
Uh-huh. You see how little it was? Little baby. We are in like a local town called Paia. So cute. It's like indoor, outdoor.
Yeah.
I didn't know. We like actually kind of stumbled upon it. I went into the bikini store. Like I'm gonna even buy anything, but ooh, I kind of want to be it. That sounds so good. They have kombucha. Yeah. You don't want that? Should we come back? Go get food and come back?
Yeah.
I'm hungry too. We're starving. The little whale excursion wore us out. So we're still in Paia. We had breakfast this morning and then we were just kind of like walking around. There's a bunch of like little local shops and restaurants here. Coast of Paia, and there's a few turtles that decided to just pull up and take a nap. So I know they kind of look like rocks, but they're just hanging out, taking naps today. Bigger, a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be, but they're so cute. Are they cute? I love them. Swimming up here to get some rest. This one does not look comfortable. He put his flippers like flipped like this, Mom. This one's flippers like this. Like, oh yeah. I just want to take a nap. He like You get that on the GoPro? I need coffee.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, and a espresso martini. Maui Brewing Company, and my friend Becca from college actually serves here, so she's like, you should come and see me for lunch. So we're here, and I'm really excited. It's super busy right now because pretty much everybody wants to come here. It's an iconic tourism spot for Maui. Obviously, their beer is delicious. Jace is gonna get a cider, I think. And yeah, so it's like indoor outdoor seating. You can serve yourself. You can come into the tasting room and just taste a bunch of stuff, or you can sit down and actually enjoy like a beer or two with like an appetizer and stuff. So they have fish and chips. They have a bunch of food options as well. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's a little bit further off from like the beach area, but it is like worth it. I think it's well worth it if you have a rental car. We're at Maui Brewing Company. It's so cute. It's like got indoor-outdoor seating. But I met with my friend Anita, and she's here too. So we're just like having so much fun, just like tasting a bunch of beers. They have a tasting room, and then you can do a beer tour if you really want. I actually really like their seltzer. I'm like really into seltzers right now, so I'm obsessed with their little hog seltzer.